Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to create link in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to create your account or your profile link on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us at the top right. Tap on it and tap on settings on this drop down menu. And after that, on this interface at the top of the screen guys, you can see your contact name and number, and at the right side of that there is a QR code. Tap on that QR code, and over here you can see the share icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that share icon, and first you'll be required to share the code or this information through WhatsApp to somebody. So I'll be just messaging myself first, and let's tap on send. And after you do that, you'll be on this interface where guys your profile link has been created at the bottom side or the messaging section of your account over here. And if you send it, it will be sent like this, where you'll be able to copy and paste your account or your profile link over here of your WhatsApp. And then guys, this is how to create a link on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.